Hi guys, welcome to another Divi Theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We had a great question. Somebody had an uppercase menu at the top here, but they wanted their submenu to be lowercase. In other words, not all capitals. Uppercase is capitals, lowercase is lowercase letters. And that stems from the old newspaper days when they used to have two different cases of characters for typesetting. So we're going to change it from this to something that looks like this. Really easy to do. We've got to use a little bit of CSS code to do this today, but it's really easy. And as usual, any code that I write, I'll put down below the video. Okay, well, let's get rid of this one. Now we should be left with the original, which is this. Let's go down to the dashboard. To do this today, I'm going to go down to Appearance and Customize. That will take us to this page here. I'm going to use the Additional CSS panel at the bottom. That way we can see exactly what's going on. I'm using Google Chrome with the great inspector tools, but most browsers have this nowadays. If yours doesn't, Chrome is a free download. I'm going to go to my submenu. I'm just going to highlight one of them. I'm going to inspect it. Now with the inspector, if you have elements selected one side, you'll have HTML. And if you have stars selected the other side, you'll have CSS. If we look at this HTML over here, it's under a class name of submenu. So if we would just do submenu anchor tag, we should be able to do it. Let's try that. Now, if you've got anything in your additional CSS panel, just put your cursor to the left of it, hit your return, scoot it down, or you can put this on the bottom if you want to. I'm going to put it at the top so everybody can see it. Always a good idea to put a title in when you're doing CSS. Title is / */ and in between the two stars, anything you write in there won't be read as code. So it's a great place for notes and titles and things like that. I'll just say Submenu Decoration. Great. So we saw that class name of submenu. All class names have a dot or a period in front of them. There's the dot. And it was sub-menu. And we want to affect the links within it and their anchor tags. So that's A. Let's open and close some curly brackets now. And we'll try that. Let's say text transform again. Text dash transform colon lowercase. We'll put a little semicolon on the end in case we want to add another line of code. Let's have a look at it now. No, still not happened. Let's try and force it. Exclamation mark important. Let's see what's happened now. And that's done it for us, which is great. Now, if that's what you want, you can stop right here. Just hit your publish and you'll be good to go. But if this was my site, I'd want that first letter to be capitalized. And if you want that, we can write another little line of code, and it's really easy. I'm going to pretty much copy what I've got here. I'm going to copy everything from the dot down to that closing curly bracket there, Control C to copy. I'm going to drop down one. I'm going to repaste it in there. After that submenu A right there, with no gap, it's important you don't put a gap in there. I'm going to put another colon. And then I'm going to say first letter. FIRST dash letter. Now I'm going to change that lowercase to an uppercase. Uppercase, as we said earlier, capital. Let's have a look now. Fantastic, just exactly what I wanted. It's got that first letter capitalized and it's got the rest of them in lowercase. So short and sweet video today. I hope that's answered that question. That was a very good question. I'm surprised that's not come up before now. It's a shame that you've got to actually use a bit of CSS for that, but as you can see, it's pretty easy. And I'll copy this. I'll paste it down below the video for anybody that just wants to copy and paste it. You're more than welcome to. When you're done, make sure you publish your changes and this will become permanent. If we go back to our site now, that's the original. If I refresh, now we take a look at it. We've got our capital first letter and lowercase rest of the words there. Fantastic. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below the video. I'll do my best to answer them for you, or make a little demo video just like this one. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.